p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Tuesday, November 15th. The National Weather Service in Pendleton has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 8 a.m. Wednesday to 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Snow accumulations, 3 to 5 inches of snow. Elevation, all elevations, with the heaviest snow west and northwest of Ellensburg. Timing, light snow will develop Wednesday morning, then will increase in intensity during the afternoon and evening hours. Snow will gradually change over to rain early Thursday morning. There may be a mixture of snow and sleet Wednesday night before changing over to rain. Locations include Ellensburg, Thorpe. Impacts. Travelers should be prepared for snow-covered roadways and the potential for heavy snow. This includes Interstate 90. For the following areas: Yakima Valley, issued at 2:29 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Tuesday, November 15th. A winter weather advisory remains in effect from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Wednesday. Snow accumulations, 2 to 3 inches. Elevation, all elevations, but the heaviest snow will fall west and northwest of Tompkinish. Timing, light snow will develop around 8 a.m. Wednesday and will increase in intensity during the day. Snow will gradually change to rain Wednesday night. Locations include Natchez, Tompkinish, Yakima. Impacts. Travelers should be prepared for snow-covered roadways. The forecast for the Yakima Valley, including Sunnyside and Yakima. Winter weather advisory in effect from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Wednesday. For rest of tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows 22 to 28. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Wednesday, snow likely in the morning, then rain and snow in the afternoon. Colder. Snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches. Highs 34 to 39. Southeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. For Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Rain likely in the evening, then a chance of rain overnight. Breezy. Lows 31 to 36. South wind 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to southwest 20 to 25 miles per hour overnight. Chance of precipitation 60%. And for Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Windy. Highs 43 to 49. Southwest wind 20 to 30 miles an hour. The forecast for the Kittitas Valley, including Ellensburg. Winter storm warning in effect from 8 a.m. Wednesday to 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday. For rest of tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows 22 to 27. North winds around 5 miles an hour, shifting to the southeast overnight. For Wednesday, snow, colder. Snow accumulation of 3 to 4 inches. Highs 30 to 35. Southeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. For Wednesday night, snow with possible sleet and rain in the evening, then rain likely overnight. Snow and sleet accumulation around 1 inch. Snow level 1,000 feet in the evening. Lows 28 to 33. Southeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, increasing to west 15 to 20 miles per hour and gusty overnight. Chance of precipitation 80%. And for Thursday, mostly cloudy. A chance of snow showers and a slight chance of showers in the morning, then a slight chance of rain.